Good morning, dear children. In previous class, you all had learned about the capacity. Children, you also have learned how can we convert bigger unit in a smaller unit and a smaller unit in bigger unit. Beside that, you also have learned how can we add and subtract liter and milliliter. Children, in today's class, we will do few word problems, okay, based on the knowledge that we have learned before, right? So here, the question number 1 is, a jug contains 500 milliliter of water. How many such jugs will be required to fill a bucket of a capacity of 5 liter? Children, you all are familiar with the term capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid that can be filled in the container. Here, the jug's capacity is 500 milliliter and bucket's capacity is 5 liter. It means you can fill 500 milliliter water in the jug and 5 liter bucket, 5 liter water in the bucket. Now you have to tell how many times you will use this jug to fill this bucket. Okay? Children, you all know that 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. Okay, and this jug's capacity is 500 milliliter. Means when you two jug water in this bucket, it means you are pouring 1 liter of water in this bucket, right? Next time again 2 jug water means 1 liter more water you are adding in the bucket. So to make 5 liter of water, we are using 10 jugs of water to fill that bucket. Okay? Children, hope you all have understood this. Right? Now, question number 2. A milkman has 400 liter of milk. Right? He sells 319 liter of milk. How much milk remains? Children, how much milk the milkman has? That was 400 liter. Milk sold, that is 319 liter. Milk remaining, what you will do? Minus. So we will simply subtract because both units are same. 400 minus 390. Children, you cannot subtract 9 from 0. So ones place 0 will borrow from tens place. Tens place has again 0. So first tens place will borrow from 100 place and then give to ones place, right? So tens place has taken 1 from 100 place and it becomes 10. Now this 10 has given 1 to ones place and becomes 9. Here you can see. Now we can easily subtract 10 minus 9, it becomes 1. 9 minus 1 becomes 8 and 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So 81 liter of milk remains with the milkman, right? Now question number 3. A bucket can contains 5 liter of water. Children, this is a bucket and this bucket's capacity is 5 liter. How much water can be contained in 3 such buckets? Now you have 3 more buckets. Okay, and you have to tell how much water can be contained in 3 such buckets. It means 3 times 5 liter. 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 3 plus 3 times 5, and 3 times 5, children. In short, you can write 3 multiplied by 5. 3 is table 5 times 15. It means 3 such buckets will have 15 liter of water. Right? Now, next question. A petrol tank can hold 250 liter of petrol. Children, this is a petrol tank and its capacity is 250 liter. It has 125 liter of petrol. Children, it has 125 liter of petrol. How many more liters of petrol it can contain? Means in the beginning it has 125 liter of petrol and its capacity is 250 liter. Means how many more liter you can fill in this container. What you will do? You will subtract 125 from 250. Okay, that I have done here. You know simple subtraction, because both are same units, so you cannot subtract 5 from 0. So 0 will borrow 1 from 5 and becomes 10. 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 2 2, and 2 minus 1 1. It means petrol tank contains 125 liter of more petrol in it. मतलब अब आप 125 लीटर पेट्रोल और उस टैंक में भर सकते हैं, राइट, बिकॉज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ टैंक वॉज 250 लीटर, राइट. Children, hope you all have understood. So do practice of these word problems, right, and do all the sums in the copy. Thank you and have a good day.